What is a password? A password is a secret code used to prevent unauthorized access to a computer hardware, software, as well as the data and information stored in a computer. A good password should be strong and easy to remember, but it should be difficult for hackers to guess. Characteristics of strong password. A strong password should have at least 8 characters. It should contain a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. It should also have numbers and symbols if they are allowed. Lastly, it should be changed frequently. Procedures for creating a password using Windows. When you are going to create a password, open Control Panel. Go to the user account. Again, click User Account. Click Manage another account. And then select user account you want to set a password for. After, click Create Password. Enter a new password and confirm the password again. Enter the password hint if you want and click Create Password. Procedures for changing password using Windows. To change an existing password, open the Control Panel. Go to User Accounts. Again, click User Accounts. Click Manage another account. Select the user account you want to change a password for. Click Change Password. After, enter the current password and enter the new password. Enter the new password again to confirm. Enter password hint if you want, and then click Change. To change existing password on Windows, you can use shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time on your keyboard, and then click on Change Password. Enter the old password. After, enter a new password. Enter it again to confirm new password. After, press Enter or click the arrowhead. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content on digital safety and tech tips like this. Until next time, stay smart, stay secure.